Hello my dear student, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a new video of your subject math, chapter 7 cube and cube root. So as you already studied in chapter 6 square and square root, like the same way we are going to read about cube and cube root. So in this video also we are going to read about so many things and many more about this cube and cube root. As usual, a lot to know and a lot to discuss. Without wasting your time, let's get into the video. So in this video, we're going to read about the cube number, properties of cube number, smallest multiple that is a cube number, cube root, prime factorization method and the estimation method. Alright. So first of all, we'll go for the cube number. Cube number means what? If a natural number m can be expressed as n cube, where m is also a natural number, then m is a cube number. What does that mean? Now if m is a number, let's say m is 8, and if we represent 8 as 2 cube, because if you multiply 2 into 2 into 2, we are getting 8. So we can say that 2 cube equal to 8. Where 2 is also a natural number, that's why 8 is a cube number. So 2 cube equal to 8, that's why 8 is a cube number. And remember children, cube means we have to multiply the same number into 3 times. Not with 3 but with 3 times. That means the same number multiplied with itself 3 times. Alright. Like in square and multiplying 2 times only, here you have to multiply 3 times. And you can see the figure here from 1 to 20, it is written the cube. 1 cube it is 1, 2 cube it is 8, 3 cube it is 27 and like that. Alright. Then now I'm going to read about the properties of cube number. What do you mean by that? Now some properties are given here for cube number. If a number has 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0, then its cube ends in the same digit only. You can see from the figure here, if it is 1, 4, like see the numbers which are ended with 1, 4, then 6, then 9 and 0. You can say that the cube also ended with the same number. You can say 11 cube, it is end with 1 only. Then 14 cube, it is end with 4 only. 15 cube, end with 5 only. 16 cube also end with 6 only. 19 cube, end with 9 only. 20 cube, end with 0 only. Alright. Then if a cube end in 3, 2, 3, 7 and 8, then its cube end in 8, 7, 3, 2 respectively. The other 4 digit left only. So 2 ka cube, if any number is ended with 2, then its cube will end with 8. And if it is any number ended with 3, the cube is also ended with 7. And if any number end with 8, the cube will be also end with 2. And if any number end with 7, the cube is also end with 3. So that's just the reverse of that number. Alright, then the cube of an even number is even and an odd number is odd. As you already know that if you multiply 2 even number, you will get another even number, and if you multiply 2 odd number, you will get another odd number. So that's why the cube of an even number is even and the cube of an odd number is odd. Then we can find the cube number by adding consecutive odd number. Just see the pattern here children. 1 equal to 1 cube, then the next two odd number are 3 and 5. If you add it, you will get the cube of 2 cube. And the next three odd numbers are 7, 9 and 11. If you add them, you will get the cube of 3. Like that we can calculate. Then the sum of the cube of first n natural number is equal to the square of their sum. You can see the pattern here. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. It can be represented as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 ka square. And it will be 100 only. If you add the cube of 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube, you will also get 100. Alright. Then in the prime factorization of a cube number, each factor appears 3 times or multiple of 3. That means if you factorize a number, each factor in its cube, it will appear as 3 times only. Like you can see here, the cube of 12, it is 1728, and you know that the factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. So you can see here 3 times 2, again another 3 times 2, again another 3 times 3. So it is the pattern. So from each number, if you are factorize that one, if it is a perfect cube number, then you can say it is coming as the product of its 3 times of its factor. Okay. Then smallest multiple, that is a perfect cube. Now the question arises, how to know that if it is not a perfect cube number, then which number we should multiply to know to convert that number into a perfect cube number. So what to do in this case? Now first calculate the prime factorization of the given number, then group the factor into triad of equal factor. That means after factorization you have to make it a triad. Triad means a group of 3 number. If all the factor can be grouped, then the given number is a perfect cube. If every number can be represented as in the form of group, then it is a perfect cube number. If it is not, then what to do? If all the factor can be grouped, then multiply the leftover factor with the same number to make it as a group of triple. If it is not in a group, then what to do? Now whatever left, that number you have to multiply to convert that one into a group. Then we can also divide the leftover factor with the same number to make it as a group of triple. And if you divide also whatever left, if you divide that number also, you will get a perfect cube number, either multiplying or by dividing. Then just see the example here. Is 68600 is a perfect cube or not? If it is not, then what you should multiply to make it a perfect cube number? You can see that first factorization of 68600, you will get that a group of 2, a group of 3 times 2 and 2 times 5 and 3 times 7. Since 5 it is not in a group of 3, so what to do? Extra 5 you have to multiply here. After multiplying extra 5, you are getting 343,000. So we can say, and 343,000 is a perfect cube. Alright, then so we can say that here if you multiply 5, we are converting that one into a perfect cube number. Now you see the next example. Here it is given that which is 1188 is a perfect cube. If not, by which smallest number should be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. So what to do in this case? Now just factorize 1188 and as you get it as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 11. In this case, what to do? Just see here, 2 and 2 and 11, these are not in the group. So what to do? Just divide that number with 1188. You are getting 27 only, and you know that 27 is a perfect cube. Alright. Then now come to your cube root. So cube root means what? Now if the same number is multiplying to give it as a cube number, then that number is a perfect cube root of that number. Like we can say 4 cube equal to 64. So cube root of 64 is 4, and 6 cube it is 216. So cube root of 216 is 6. Like this we can calculate. So to calculate the cube root, we have two methods here. First one is by prime factorization. As you already know that simply do the prime factorization of the given number, then write this factor in triplets such that all the 3 factors in each triplet are equal. So in that particular group, if you have to make a in the prime factorization, you have to make a group of 3 number which are of equal value. Then from the product of all factor, take one from each triplet, then give the cube root of a number. That means by that particular group, you have to take one digit and multiply it, you will get the cube roots. Just see here, 13824, it can be represented as 3 times 2, another 3 times 2, another 3 times 2 and another 3 times 3. So you can take one from each group, one digit, and you will getting us 24 as the answer. Alright. Then by estimation method, in this method what to do? Now this method will work only if the given number is a perfect cube. If it is a perfect cube, then we can apply this method. Make a group of 3 digits from unit place. This is the first group and the second group. So from the unit place, you have to make a group of 3 digits and the rest will be second group. The unit digit of the first group will decide the unit digit of the cube root. What does that mean? You already know that if you know the unit number, then we can unit number of a cube or a cube root. Then we can able to find out the unit number of that cube or that cube number. Alright, that's the cube root number. So here also you have to estimate that way. Then find the cube of number between which the second group lie. Whatever left, you have to calculate the two perfect cube number between which this number will lie and take the smaller number only. Okay. Then you see here, one example we have taken 857, 375 and we are dissolved into 2 equal part. One is 857, the second group, and 375, it is the first group. As you can see that 375, it ends with 5. So we can take the unit place as 5 only. Alright. Then now take the another group, that is 857. What to do? Now we know that the 10 cube it is 1000 and 9 cube it is 729. So we can say that 857 it is lying in between the cube of 9 and the cube of 10, that is 729 and 1000. So we can take as we take the ones place of the smallest number, that is 729, as the tens place of the required cube root. So we have to take it, since 857 it is lying in between the 9 cube and 10 cube, we have to take the smallest one, that is the 9 only. So 95 is our answer. So this is the way to calculate the cube root by the help of estimation method. Alright, so these are the two basic methods by which we can calculate the cube root. I hope this video is informative for you children, and you came to know so many things related to cube and cube root. So thanks for watching my video, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much children.